This fridge magnet beautiful digitally printed. Specially designed to delight your dad and mom on occasions like birthday, anniversary, Father's Day and Mother's Day. These fridge magnet premium quality gloss finished with environment friendly. Make a small effort to say thank you to your mom and dad for always being there for us at every step. Child love is beyond everything. That's why we bring you some exceptionally designer fridge magnet that will surely bring that priceless smile to your mom's and dad's face. Acknowledge your parents' love and surprise them with this super cute fridge magnet. This is just not a gift, it's a feeling that simply says, Mom, Dad, you are special.